If you're looking for a quick, easy way to export your videos for Instagram using Descript, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps of using Descript's video export feature, specifically tailored for Instagram, so you can get your content online without any hassle. Stick around, because I'll also share a few pro tips that'll make your Instagram posts stand out even more. First off, let's dive into the Descript interface. If you've already got your video ready in Descript, go ahead and click on the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll begin your export journey. Now, when exporting for Instagram, it's crucial to know the platform's video specs. For Instagram, you want to make sure your video is a square or vertical format. You'll want to aim for a 1.1 ratio for feed posts or a 9.16 for stories and reels. Descript makes it super easy. Once you hit the Share button, select Export and then choose your desired video format. For Instagram feed posts, select Square as your aspect ratio. If you're exporting for reels or stories, you can choose the vertical option. This way, you're already set up for optimal display on Instagram. Now, here's a quick pro tip. Make sure to double check your video's length. Instagram feed videos can be up to 60 seconds, while stories can run up to 15 seconds per slide. Reels can be up to 90 seconds, but keeping your content shorter is usually more engaging. Descript lets you easily trim your video timeline, so if needed, just cut out the excess by dragging the timeline bar. When you're ready to export, you'll see options to adjust video quality. For Instagram, I recommend using the high or very high option for sharp, clean video quality. Instagram compresses videos, so having the best possible quality before upload ensures your video looks its best. Once your export settings are dialed in, hit Export and Descript will render your video. It'll appear in your file explorer, ready to be uploaded directly to Instagram. It's as simple as that. No complex tools, no extra steps, just straight to your feed or stories. Here's something to keep in mind. Instagram's compression can slightly reduce your video's quality. To minimize this, avoid uploading videos that are too large in file size. Descript does a great job of managing this for you, but it's always good to keep your video's resolution and size balanced for the best outcome. Before we wrap up, here's a little bonus. If you want to dive deeper into Descript and start using all its features for free, you can grab our exclusive extended trial through the first link below. This gives you extra time to explore all the ways Descript can boost your content creation. So now you've got all the tools to export videos for Instagram with Descript. Remember, whether it's for feed, stories, or reels, Descript's export options make it easy to tailor your videos for Instagram's requirements. Don't forget to grab that free trial through the link below and take your Instagram content to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.